What you're witnessing is just another ordinary day for the police in Brazil. Criminals here are often reckless when trying to escape. A routine chase can easily turn into a Hollywood-style action scene, and this pursuit is a perfect example. Officers spotted the suspect on the street and signaled him to stop, but he had other plans. He immediately hit the gas, speeding dangerously through the streets. It seems this wasn't his first time running from the law. Despite the police closing in, the suspect showed no fear. He acted as if he had done nothing wrong. Do you see that bag hanging from his arm? It might contain something illegal, and the officers definitely noticed it. Their goal now was clear: stop him and search that bag. If it held contraband, he was headed straight to jail. The pursuit weaved through countless streets with no signs of slowing down, until the suspect's vehicle ran into trouble. Police quickly apprehended him and searched the car. Details of the chase have yet to be released, but drug trafficking could be the reason for his arrest. We may never know for sure, but one thing is certain: running from the police is never an option.
Escola de Santa Amaro, né? A escola do Santa Amaro aqui embaixo.
A routine patrol in Atlanta quickly escalated into a high-speed chase when officers identified a vehicle linked to an armed robbery. Spotting the car near Dodson Road, police signaled the driver to pull over. At first, the suspect complied, but the moment two officers approached, he suddenly hit the gas and fled.
We're southbound, stand by for a second.
You're southbound Phil. Yeah, 10. Let's go southbound. We're going to be in front of the Georgia Tech with Mason Center. Show them me.
The chase didn't last long, and escape was never an option. With just a few precise PIT maneuvers, officers brought the suspect's car to a stop. But the drama wasn't over yet. One suspect immediately bolted, desperately trying to evade capture.
Where you got him? Hey, get the out! Get the out!
Moments later, he was in custody. Though the suspect's car flipped over, no one was injured. Police later identified the suspects as 34-year-old Datavius Waller and 34-year-old Jawan McKinnon. Another day, another failed attempt to outrun the law. Crime never stops, and neither do the officers of Atlanta's Zone 5. In this pursuit, we not only get a ground-level view from the pursuing officers, but also an aerial perspective from the helicopter. With this perfect combination, no suspect can escape Atlanta. On June 12th, 2024, around 5 p.m., a shooting left investigators scrambling to find the culprit. Witnesses reported seeing a blue Tesla carrying 4 possible suspects. Once that information came in, the chase was on. As soon as officers spotted the vehicle, They signaled the driver to pull over. But instead of complying, the driver hit the gas, weaving recklessly through traffic. That only confirmed one thing. This car was carrying the shooters.
Yes, I do have a secondary unit. They can call it.
Alright, he includes let's call it. We got it.
Got it on Peters going westbound. Westbound on Peters.
Westbound Peters.
Westbound on the right home. Coming up the O. Long lanes of travel. Gonna be going 70 plus. Still on white home.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 38.
Heavy traffic over here, y'all. Heavy traffic over here. Almost 41, we are still south on Whitehall, crossing over 38.
No matter how fast they ran, the law would always be faster. The congested streets made the chase even more dangerous, with the risk of a crash looming at any moment. And in a split second, the suspect's escape came to an end.
Still on Whitehall, you got heavy.
Switch to the other zone. Phoenix should be the only one talking on this radio.
We're still on lead. Ooh, 41, spinning out. He's
Gonna be royal lead, just gain control, regain control.
spinning out. It's gonna be right on lead. He just gained control, regained control. Continuing on lead. The vehicle is slowing down. Still with it. Just stopping in the middle of the intersection. The vehicle has stopped. Gonna be at Lee and Oakland. Lee and Oakland, you got a driver running out on stage.
One suspect bolted from the car, desperate to escape. But he didn't get far. Another unit was already waiting to take him down. Meanwhile, the others in the vehicle surrendered, realizing there was no way out.
You're gonna crawl over this seat with your hands up. You understand me? Let's go. Crawl. 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 Crawl now.
You don't crawl, you detained, bitch!
On the ground. Don't you move. Hands down.
Hey, you got him? I'm gonna go him!
Don't you move. I swear to God.
Hey, are you good?
Stand by.
Black pants, black sneakers. Alright, we are. He's on the
Get out of there!
I got cuffs. I got cuffs. I got cuffs.
I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know.
No, you're not. You're good.
From a violent shooting to a reckless attempt at evasion, these four are now facing a long list of charges. For a moment, they thought they were dangerous and untouchable. Now they sit behind bars, regretting every decision. Justice always arrives right on time.
He's good. He's good.
If you plan on committing a crime, Arkansas is the last place you want to do it. Some criminals will do anything to escape justice, but the Arkansas State Police won't let that happen. On October 2nd, 2024, officers in Texarkana were tracking a stolen vehicle when they called in backup from the Arkansas State Police. The suspect, a 17-year-old with a violent past, was spotted speeding north on Jefferson Avenue before merging onto Interstate 30. Desperate to escape, he pushed the stolen car to 95 miles per hour. But as a patrol unit closed in, he made a move he would soon regret. With nowhere left to run, The suspect was taken into custody immediately. What seemed like a routine stolen vehicle chase turned out to be much more. Investigators soon discovered he was a key suspect in a serious case, with a staggering $250,000 bond. The next day, a judge revoked his bail, ensuring his days on the run were officially over.
Citation warrant to Longitude, please.
A simple seatbelt violation can quickly escalate into a high-speed chase, and this video is proof of that. It was a bright, sunny day in Blytheville when Officer Teddy Henderson spotted a driver without a seatbelt. Legally, he had every reason to pull the vehicle over for a routine check. But what started as a simple stop quickly spiraled into something much bigger.
Mr. Mary Tom, 111 BMT at Blue Chevy Cobalt.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Trooper Henderson, State Police, man. The reason I stopped you weren't wearing your seatbelt, okay? You got your ID with you? You doing all right today? What's up with the gloves, man? Barbara, okay. Oh, okay. Get your ID first and then I'll... Okay. Is this your car? Okay, what's your name? Hold on one second. I'm gonna let you write it down for me. Write your name and date of birth right there, man.
The driver failed to provide identification and gave a fake name. Sensing something was off, Officer Henderson returned to his patrol car to verify the information. That was all the suspect needed. He hit the gas and took off, triggering a chase through city streets.
$34, John Burrows, 1037.
34.
Going to a bank parking lot right here at North 2nd.
North 2nd.
First, Sycamore. Cherry Street.
Cherry Street.
TVI.
TVI 207.
I'm gonna shoot you.
The suspect, Remius Thompson, was ordered to the ground. He hesitated but eventually complied, clutching a black backpack. As backup arrived, he suddenly made a break for it.
Chest on the ground! Chest on the ground!
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me, sir.
Cherry.
Please, sir.
I got him on the ground. He's face down. I got him at gunpoint.
This one. So
Get on the ground! I will shoot you. I'm 2-4. I'm waiting on somebody else. So. Get out!
hello.
A stun device was deployed, bringing the pursuit to an immediate end.
Put the gun. Put my gun in here.
Put your hand behind your back! Put your hand behind your back!
Is your name really Javon Harris? Hop up for me, buddy. Come on, man. Let's go.
Inside Thompson's bag, officers found a loaded 9mm handgun, drugs including marijuana, methamphetamine, cocaine, and Adderall, along with a digital scale and over $2,200 in cash. His vehicle was seized by the Drug Task Force, and now he faces a long list of serious charges.
He was trying to get to that gun. He was trying to get to that gun. While the car spun around, he kicked his feet out the window and he was watching me get out of the car at gunpoint, and he was...
Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be part of our channel family. Have a great day and see you later.